Hey, welcome back. Gary Brown Forging On, and this is going to be a little shaky because I'm holding my phone sitting on the porch. Just going to give a quick update. Had my surgery. Today's Thursday, so I had my surgery Monday afternoon, and I came home Tuesday around noon. The surgery went okay, as far as I know, and I already went to rehab yesterday. So came home Tuesday, went to rehab Wednesday, and I go again tomorrow. So do my physical therapy. It's sore. it hurts some, but in a way, I heard it hurt so much that I was expecting it to actually be worse. But it hurts enough. But I thought it'd be worse than this. But it's enough to keep you going. So I just wanted to talk like some of the stuff. Of course, if I can switch phones. See, I'll let this truck pass. Mine just has steri strips, whatever they call those, across it. And if you get this, you might find that yours has a bandage on there for 5 to 7 days. Apparently my doctor only wants the bandage on there for 2 days and then keep the steri strips on until they fall off. And he leaves his longer than most people. Most people only put them maybe 3 or 4 inches long. He keeps his probably, I don't know, what's that, 5-6 inches long, 5 inches long, something like that, 4 or 5. So they're a little longer. He says if they get curling off, just trim them. But they glue it and sew it, and another truck. Squirrel! So anyway. They glue it and close it up, and sew it and all that. So I could take a shower, can't submerge it. Shower when we got back, and that's about it. I'm going through the rehab. I have to do certain exercises where I can push it flat, and then and bend it. And the first day I could do 95%, but then it kind of got a little less because the swelling got worse. And I'm using the that Polar Cube ice pack thing and keeping it wrapped on the knee. I had one for my shoulder, and I was planning on using that, but they included one with the surgery, which they didn't. During my shoulder surgery, it wasn't included, but apparently this one is included with it. And it came with the knee cover, so I keep one out by my lazy boy when I'm sitting there, and I keep another one by the bed, and I just keep ice flowing around it as much as I can, because it's tight as a drum. So anyway, this is just a quick update. Getting around okay with my walker. I had to use a walker for a couple of weeks, and I'll try to give you some more updates after I kind of progress along. Hope you all have a blessed day. Bye-bye now.